Now this thing right here is 3/8 inch ABS. And I make a lot of stuff with it. But sometimes we got scratches. Sometimes we got little smudges and those things don't just come off. But I got a solution. Now I actually sell these things to people, so I can't have them going out the door like that. Now I know this isn't your run-of-the-mill video that you would see on the SMD channel. So I glance over at my 3D printer because we have ABS on the reel, and I'm like, I wonder if the same trick will work on this. Hey, let's try it out and see. If you ever find yourself needing to polish a piece of ABS for any reason, if it's got scratches or if it's fresh off the 3D printer, try this. You'll see, it works really well. If you have smaller projects, you can get away with a smaller can. I just happen to have too much stuff for this small little space. So we're gonna move on to a big bucket here. All right, I got a full bucket of acetone and I got an empty bucket of acetone. But that bucket doesn't really matter. As long as it's metal, this should work. Dirty these are. Watch the miracle. That's it. Give it like 20 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, let's do this. Look how shiny those are. Are you able to see that on camera? Even the back. Before, after. Just from vapor alone. Now we got another set. And there you go, that's vapor polishing.